100% Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday the 13th.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. It's officially spooky season.
What does that mean? What's so spooky?
What do you mean? It's Friday the 13th.
What does that mean?
Friday the 13th is bad luck. There's scary movies, scary people, and ghosts.
Minions! Tonight, we steal the moon! Okay, that calmed me down. Where's Lucas?
Oh!
Ah! Oh, my mommy!
Oh my God, Rocco, it's me. Anyway, that's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Python!